There we go. Peace, family. Thank you guys for tuning in. Today we're going to be going over the crypto market, seeing if we can see any upside or downside for the long or the short term. And today, as always, we're going to be starting with Bitcoin. And as we can see, Bitcoin is in somewhat of a downtrend. You can see it right here. Very first thing that we see is this downtrend right there. I'm gonna open this up a little bit bigger. There's your downtrend. But really, I want to pull out the fib and see something. We're still basing off of this $15,520 area. It's 1272 based off of this swing low to this swing high up here. Got rejected. Everything else sold off. So right now, as it stands, we're playing inside of this range still. But right now you're outside of that range. And now you could be coming back into this $15,000 area. Let's take a look at this on the 4-hour. Now on the 4-hour, you tried to get back inside the range, but you're still getting rejected. So you have some support right here. Where is that? $16,066. Trying to get back inside that range, but you're still in this downtrend. I would like to see you get out of this downtrend and out of this top of your range, as you've been inside of this range for quite some time. You broke out of it and then you came back into it, started trading inside of it again, and then you broke back down again. So now, like I said, I would really like to see this break that $16,800 area before I could say we're going to go back to that $17,580 area, possibly $17,600. But right now, it's not going anywhere. As it stands right now, you're in a downtrend. As it stands right now, you're in the downtrend. So keep that in mind. On the 1-hour, you're still getting rejected and you're ranging and consolidating on the 1-hour on this price action right here. That $16,600 area. I'm not sorry. Not 16,600, 16,066. So anything below that, I will be looking for a lower price target. Why would I even click on that? Try to close that. Thank you. Take it back to a daily one more time. Where are your EMAs at? EMAs have you getting rejected by the 20-day. You're under all major moving averages on the daily. Check the MACD. MACD has you losing positive momentum. Right there. Let's open that up. You were positive 1, 2, 3, 4 days. Now you're losing that positive momentum. Let's take a look at your RSI. Yeah, RSI is even pointing back down. Yeah, and you're back under the SMA. You were above it. Now you're back below it. So keep all of that in mind when you are looking at Bitcoin, because if Bitcoin comes back and breaks below back this $15,500 area, you're looking at 14,463, and then ultimately back testing this $12,000 area, 12,900, possibly even 12,800 to the downside. Let's take a look at AVAX. Look, take a look. Let's start all of this from scratch. Which one do I want to swing you from? Let's do two of them. Let's run the fib from here. That might not be it. Let's run it from here. That makes better sense right there. Swing low from 1430 to swing high 2059. You are currently losing the 1272 at 1268. You are having support at 1180. Anything below 1180, any closure below 1180, I'm looking at 1053. So let's just say if you were to begin your short now, or even a discharge now, you're looking at a possible 13.90% to the downside. It definitely starts your discharge or your short if it gives you a daily closure below 1180. Take a look at a 4 hour. See, 4 hour, you're trying to get back up, but you're not getting that same volume that you once were before. Right here, but you're getting rejected right here, which oddly enough used to be an area of support. Take a look. It was support here. It was support here. It was also support back here and here. Let's go back. I want to see when it was resistance. Find the price action when it was resistance. Put this on a daily. Bam, there we go. It was support here. It was resistance right there. Resistance here. Resistance here. Scan your chart from right to left, and you'll find support and resistance. So right now, we're under what used to be support. Look. This is the line that we just drew right here. This is current price action. The line we just drew, current price action. So it used to be support back here, but it was also resistance back here in this area. So now it's operating as the same resistance. And as you can see, we do have some price history that does show at least support being at 935. I'm going to mark that line off as well. That's 933. I wanted a 935. Right there. So this is our second line that we have drawn. Anything below, though, anything below 1053, I would be targeting the 2 spot at 816. 816 and then $6.46. All right, let's take a look at Aave. Aave on the daily. Let's see you. Let's remove that right quick. I want to see something. Aave has a similar setup like AVAX. Basing your support off the 1272 at $55.84. Anything below $55.84, I am looking at $51.10. Check out your EMAs. Look at that. Daily 20-day rejection right there. 1, 2, 3. That's 3 rejections. 1, 2, 3 right there. Can't miss them. Can't miss that at all. So I would say that you're going to come down and possibly test that $55.84 mark. So currently, from where it is now, you would be looking at a 5.33% to the downside. Anything below that, you're looking at 13.37% and a 1618 retracement of 24.96%, back down to $44.30. And that is on Aave. Let's take a look at BNB. Let's see what you had going on, BNB. You were doing something tricky. I feel like BNB is breaking down. You got your highs here. High was here. Highs. All lower highs. But then you created the support right here, $184. Ran it from there. So let's run it from here to here. Yeah, run that fib right there to there. Perfect. So you had a drop from $398 to, what is this area right here? $250. You are currently getting rejected by your 382, and you are currently holding the halfway mark, which is at $290.09, trading at $292.03. If you lose this on a daily, I will be looking for $265 to get picked back up as the support. Let's see what your EMAs have to say. You are currently resting on top of your 20-day, your 50-day, and your 100-day. You are currently trading under your 200-day. Let's open this up. If you lose these as the support, you are going to come back and test your 1618, which I feel like it could hold the support, or it could possibly come back and start trading back above the 200-day. If you get back above 303 on the daily and you get back above your 382, which is 316, I will be targeting $347. Let's see what you look like on the 4 hour. On the 4 hour, you're breaking down though. Let's see what your MACD has to say. And on the MACD, you're negative. But that negative momentum is being ridden out by your 382 and your halfway mark. Take a look at the 1 hour. 1 hour, you tried to get bullish, but it looks like you're breaking back down. Yeah, you're still under all major moving averages. You're consolidating on your halfway mark. If you lose the halfway mark on the 1 hour, I would probably come back to test. Let's see. Where would I come back to test at? Let's remove this fib for a second. I'm going to do a smaller fib. Right here. Bring it back. There we go. Yep, see, currently sitting on your 382. We got 17 minutes and 11 seconds left on this 1 hour candlestick. If you lose this $291 area, I will be targeting this $283 area. Anything below 283, I'm targeting 275, and that's on a short time frame. So let's measure this. Possibly 5.62% to the downside. But this 382 seems to be holding that support. You get back above your 20-day, your 236, your 100-day, and your 50-day, then you can start pushing the price back up. As it stands right now, you're under all major moving averages, and that's on the 1 hour, and that's on BNB. Let's take a look at Crow. What do we have on Crow? We got a lot going on Crow. Let's take a look. Crow still shaking to the downside. Look at this. Yeah, it's not looking good for Crow. Right there. Let's see. Impulsive move. Fib right there. Maybe. Let's take a look. Oh yeah, look at that. Your 2414 has you at 5 cents, 5/10 of a cent. Yeah, well, it's not 5/10 of a cent. 0.0510. Currently trading at 0.0623. That downtrend holds. Your next support line is 0.0555, and that is 11.114% to the downside. Anything below that, you're looking at 0.0510. Anything below that, you're looking at 0.0446, 0.0325. Phew, man, and it's not looking good for Crow at all. Let's see what the EMAs have to say. Yeah, your 20-day EMA. Let's see your RSI is. You might be oversold on. Hold on. Nope, not oversold on the daily yet. Let's see the 4 hour. 4 hour is looking a little different too. Interesting. Let's get rid of this fib for a second. That's interesting. Could that be? Let's see. Bullish divergence, maybe hidden. Not sure. But that RSI is skipping lows. So it's looking like higher lows on the RSI. But I'm not fully convinced just yet. I'm not fully convinced. As you have a higher low on your 4 hour wick low anyway. Yeah, I would say body low. Yeah, you do. On a 4 hour. But right now you're still under all major moving averages. You still need to get back above at least your 20-day. But the rest of your EMAs are sloped down. The rest of your EMAs are sloping down. And I wish I would have been paying attention. We were paying attention to Crow, but trying to keep a eye on the majors. But that right there, That was a 57% drop in 6 days. What's today? November 28th. That's November the 22nd. Man, nice drop. Very nice drop, Crow. That thing is down. It's not looking good for Crow. Let's just leave it at that. Let's take a look at Cake. Cake with the drop. Nice. Let's take all of this off. And just pay attention to this structure right here. You don't have to look at anything else. Just look at this structure. Bam. Currently getting rejected by the 382. Halfway mark is trying to hold on as the support on the 4 hour. You got 11 minutes on a 4 hour. 11 minutes left on a 4 hour? Really? Oh yeah, because time went back. Okay, cool. So you break this, you get a closure below this area. You looking at 378 on a small time frame. Let's see what kind of percentage can we get out of this. Not bad. 1.71. That's not bad. But overall, this thing is down. Still looking down as well. So let's go from this structure. You were in an uptrend for a second. Take a look. Right there. You were in an uptrend for a second. You lost your uptrend. Found some sort of support right here. Continue with an uptrend, maybe a fake out right here, and then here comes the backdraw. So now what you're looking at is this structure. So you caught the 618 as the support. It looks like you might just be back testing on the 50 day. Let's see where your EMA is at. Nah, you're not back testing. You're getting rejected. You're getting rejected by that 20 day. You're definitely going to push down. Yeah, you're going to push down. So first area of take profit. Let's take a look. First area to take profit is 5.67%. Second area of take profit, where would I say take profit at? I would say take profit right there, 11.48%. So almost 6% on the first area take profit to your 618. Your 618 is $3.62. Your second area of take profit is this wick low support at $3.52 or 53 cents. I'm sorry. Currently trading at $3.84. So I'm looking for more downside on Cake. Let's take a look at Curve. Curve had a nice pump off of the drop. If you lose your 20 day, you're coming back down to test. Let's see. What's this area right there? Almost 67 cents. If you lose that area, you're going to come back down and test. So what area would I say would you come back to test? Let's find out. And this is on a daily time frame, so remember that part. You're looking at 62 cents. 382 has you at the 62 cent mark. Halfway mark has you at 58 cents, and the 618 has you at 53 cents. So let's go ahead, measure that. $618 on curve is 15.71% to the downside. If you lose that 20-day, keep that in mind. Let's take a look at comp. Comp not looking good either. Let's turn all this off. Yeah, comp is not looking good. Look at that. 786 support. See if you lose the 786. If you lose the 786 on a daily, I would be targeting let's just say here for now. $32.65. Anything below $32.65, I will be targeting this one spot at $26.23. So if you lose your 786, it's going to be really easy. So starting from the 786 down to the level we just drew, it's going to be 8.39% to the downside. So pay attention to comp on the daily. I don't even have to do this on the 4-hour, but just take a look. You are consolidating between the 786 and the 618. Bottom of your range is 786. The top of your range is the 618. Real easy to follow. Let's take a look at DOT. DOT still on the downtrend too. And I had high hopes for DOT. That's your range. Alright, let's go ahead and turn that off. Here's your downtrend. There's your range. Anything below, what is this, $5.04, you're trading at $5.12 on DOT. I'm looking at more downside. Yeah. I'm definitely looking at more downside. And this is on a daily time frame, so you already know. $5.20 is your support. Below that, you got $4.95. Below $4.95, I'm looking at $4.60 at the 1618. So from currently where we are right now, if you lose this support area right here, I'm looking at 8.75% to the downside. And that's on DOT. Let's look at ETH. ETH is not Ethan right now, so let's take a look. Nice. Hold on, let me make sure I'm all the way at the wick. Perfect. Yep, there we go. EMAs, turn your EMAs on, see what we got. Currently getting rejected by the 20-day. Relief rally. That's all this was, just a relief rally. $1,238. You're currently trading at $1,162. Support is coming in at $1,126. If you lose $1,126, or actually, I want to say these wick lows right here. If you lose 1070, 1071 area, I'm looking for more downside on Ethereum. But as it stands right now, 1126 is going to hold you as the support. You're currently trading at 1163. So if you break this 1070 on a daily closure below 1070, I would be targeting 880. And that's on Ethereum. Let's take a look at FTM though. FTM has been trying to get back in the game. We're seeing a lot of volume come into FTM. Let's turn all of this off. Let's mark this off right there. With support back here. Now it's support here. Now, currently, it is at the resistance. This used to be support. It is now operating as resistance. This line right here, let's open this up some more so y'all can see that better. Right there. That used to be the support. It is now operating as the resistance. You can see that here, right here on this wick, and on this candlestick. If we can get back above this level of support, I would be looking for more upside. So, if I was to run that on the fib from that level to this level, look at that. That's your 236. That's 20 cents. That's 20 cents right there. So, put this on a 1 hour. I'm looking for an entry. Nice. Very nice. So, roughly about 18.6, maybe 18.7, I would look for this for entry. I would say probably about 18.7. Or maybe even to this 20-day right here at 19.2. 19.252. So I'm looking at two different areas. I'm looking at my 20-day and I'm looking at this 200-day down here. If you could possibly wick through in all of these EMAs right here and then come back and just tap that 200-day. Now, on the daily though, what I'm looking for is for us to get above that level right there on your 50-day. 2810, you're currently trading at 19,908. I'm really looking forward to this getting above that 618 though. I mean the 236, because if I can catch an entry above the 236 and just trade it to that level of resistance, that's 3.91%. You get above that, you're looking at 10.81%. You get above this, you're looking at 19.79%. And here's your 100-day coming in. So your 100-day could just coincide with your halfway mark, but the ultimate 618 retracement has you at 28.47%. And that's just between 20 cents and 25 cents. That's 28%. So if we can get above those levels, that will be my target to the upside. Anything below the 20-day or anything back below 18.6, I'm looking for more downside. Let me see this on a 4 hour. Yeah, you're getting rejected by the 200-day. Look at that. Getting rejected by your 200-day. And on the 1 hour, price action is just coming back to retest. So yeah, I'm really liking FTM. Chainlink. Breakdown crazy on Chainlink. What's this? On a 1 hour. Look at this. You get back below that 200-day, chain link is going to drop. That's on a 1 hour. You get back below this 200-day or this 100-day right here, you're going to drop. So that's on a 4 hour. So let's go ahead and just fib on this real quick. See what type of retracement can we get. Nice. So your 382 has you at 661. You're currently trading at 667. And you are dropping currently. So is Bitcoin. So is everything else. If Bitcoin drops, so does the rest of the market. Always keep that in mind. Always keep that in mind. So 382 could possibly hold you as the support at 661 on the 4 hour. If you lose that on the 4 hour, I will be looking for 640 and then 619 to the downside. So that is roughly 7.41% to the downside. Let's take a look at Matic. Matic currently holding the 618 retracement right now. Anything below the 618 on a 4 hour time frame, you are going to be looking at 79 cents. Actually, I can do this on a much larger time frame. Let's remove all of this. Where you at, Matic? Put you on a daily. You had to run up. Nice. So what would I do? Let's see. Can I drop from here? Bam. Bam. Look at that. Look at this. On a macro. On a macro. Very nice macro fib. Good job, macro. You ran up to your 382. You ran up to your 382 on a macro fib. Currently getting rejected by your 236. Let's take a look at your moving averages. Currently negative. Currently negative on the MACD. RSI. RSI has you negative as well. So, EMAs. Where's your EMAs? Rejections. Look at that. So let's exit out. And then let's get rid of that. Downside. You're under all major moving averages. So let's run another fib real quick. Now on this fib, you are sitting on top of your halfway mark, and the half usually does not hold. So any closure below this halfway mark, I'm looking for 69.46 to the downside. 69 cents to the downside. How much is that from currently where we're holding? That's another 14.62% to the downside. This is on a daily time frame, and this is on Matic. Nice. Very nice. Let's take a look at OP. Not looking good for OP either. Currently under your 618, your 786 has you at the support at 80 cents. You're trading at 85 cents. You're looking at another 6.42% to the downside. Anything below your 786, you're looking at the one spot. One spot has you at 63 cents. Take a look at the 4 hour. Yeah. I could see this possibly coming down, testing at 786 again. Let's take a look at Mana. Mana, more downside. We could turn this off. Yeah, Mana's just struggling. Got rejected by the 40-cent mark. You're currently trading at 38 cents. This area right here seems to be holding you as the support. You lose 38 cents. I would be targeting, let's see, 36 cents to the downside. Ultimately, though, on a daily, it's just not looking good. It kind of looks like Crow. Just complete downside. Yeah. Let's see. Right there to right there. Nice. So you are at the 272, 2.272 and 2414. So currently holding at the 2272 at 38 cents. Break below that, you're dropping down to 36 cents. Anything below that, you're looking at 32 cents and 26 cents to the downside. And that's on Mana. Let's take a look at Sand. Sand, more downside coming in. You don't even have to really look at that. Let's take a look at Sushi. Sushi had a different structure I was noticing yesterday. Actually, let's remove all of this. There we go. Let's take a look at Sushi on a different scale. Let's say from that wick right there. Now notice on Sushi, your highs are getting lower. Your lows are getting higher. You had a low moment back here, and you consolidated on this very line right here. Consolidated very well, even though you had some pumps in it, but you still consolidated on this line. You never broke this level of support. That is very strong support at 99 cents. You're currently trading at $1.30. So what I'm looking for, I'm looking for this 100-day to get broken, to possibly come back up and test this 236 and your 200-day at $1.84. So we need to get back above this area of resistance. What is that? That's $1.39. So between there and this 236 or your 200-day, nice. Look at that. That's 30%. That is 30%, and that's on Sushi. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and end that for now. The recording will be available later on today. Appreciate you guys for tuning in. Peace, family. Have a good day.